stop and chat or whatever you feel like. If you want to come over here or wherever, more than welcome. First, unplug it. Okay. It's okay.
No, get a picture.
I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry. It's totally fine. Zoe did this to me.
Yeah, I was gonna say Zoe did this to me.
Well, that's girl to girl.
If you pull the prop off, yeah, that's what I did. Now we just got another prop out.
What I thought was funny was that my boyfriend's like, wait, let me record this first before. Did you? All right.
Jimmy, what?
All right, who's this? Who is
Love
this?
you, Jimmy.
Who is this?
Jimmy.
This is Quadra Kill.
Jimmy.
Yeah.
I can't stay.
You can't stay? You're leaving?
Hi.
Oh, get it. Just kind of say hi. This is awkward. We don't know what to do with our hands right now.
Awkward.
It's good. It's going good.
Should we put our hands on our face?
What are you doing?
Get yourself a roof tent and you'll have great lighting.
It's a roof tent? Is that what it's called?
Yeah. Not a roof tent.
Basically. As a Canadian would say. Yeah. That's pretty USB.
Yeah. So we just wanted to record something really awkward with Chad.
That's pretty cool.
Thank you for being
Chad's a
awkward.
cool guy. This is an awkward. He brought all of this for us.
You want to record something awkward with Chad?
Yeah.
Kirsty should be a Rotor Riot pilot.
Oh!
You may know her for some of her artwork that she's done for lots of companies and pilots, including this t-shirt.
So awkward.
What did he say? What should the initiation process be?
How many people have been asking for a female pilot since you've been adding more spots and stuff?
Many.
Very cool. This tent is great. Do you guys like this tent? I like it.
Just
look, she's got a great choice in tents. One more.
Are you creaming it?
One more time. Yeah, okay. That's awesome.
Okay, well, thanks. How did we not wake up Lugnut? How's he not awake?
I just put him to bed, and I'm really surprised.
Yeah.
It's probably like, hey, Hey, Chad.
Yeah, he's watching.
Well, thanks for having me over, guys.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I think I'm supposed to be on stage announcing winners. So that's okay. I'll just tell them it was your fault.
Oh.
Yeah.
Almost directly straight back. You can see there's a fence line along there.
The last time we saw it in VR, like the first VR was like.
Yeah, let's see that shirt. Yeah.
Okay, so new conundrum. I've got the new hub on there. Bearings are all good and all that, but I went to put on the caliper and found out that there is a big gap now. Basically, the spacing of this hub is different than the spacing of this hub in the back. So the rotor does not want to bolt on anymore. So probably gonna go find some longer bolts and some washers or something and make it work. Gotta get home. There's nothing a couple washers can't fix.
That's right.
Gold washers. This is perfect. We're good to go. Jamie's the man.
So excited for you guys.
Jamie saved us, gave me a ride to Tractor Supply.
Anytime.
Woo woo!
Woo woo!
Fuck yeah. What's your FPV name?
Slide by FPV.
Woo! So my bolt's too long and it's rubbing. So I gotta jack it up and take it off and put some washers back in. Fuck. Can't actually find the issue. The screws aren't too long. I just kind of think that these washer spacings are a little bit different since they're all a little different size. So it's just making the caliper a little crooked. But it should wear into itself. It should be okay. So we'll see what happens.
Try me. Zoro doesn't want to fight me. Missed it.
Jamie Hodges. Jamie Hodges.
Jamie?
Don't want to get your camera wet.
I don't care. This man is amazing, let me tell you. Just missing us. Getting misted at Rampage. Oh, the light on your face is great. So Pulp Fiction.
When I think about my art, I go deep and I ask myself questions.
So we got our fellow Mario here. He's an ass.
Tattoo on his arm.
Man, man. He was
That's sick.
he was a Mr. Steel tattoo.
Put a mustache on it. Yes, do it. Please do it.
Like half-assed
Don't do it.
hustler guys everywhere. What's going on?
Forgot the dog's ball. Yeah.
This situation made me nervous.
I know.
Oh no, they didn't even fucking leave the parking lot. Really?
You guys get
I didn't.
No.
a medium and a small.
Yes, please.
Will that work?
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you. Now I don't have to shower. I'm just kidding.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Absolutely. He's like a tiny little arm. You guys are really mean.
You're mean.
You are.
No.
With your 1989 camcorder.
This is from Chad.
Thanks. Here you go.
Oh no, Mary. I couldn't possibly accept that. Not after all we've been through.
Thank you, Lloyd. Good luck with your worms.
Hey. How about a hug?
Oh. I
Hey, goodbyes. Be strong.